Okay, music lovers, this is a demonstration on a couple of party tricks. So when you come in as a teacher, when you log in as a teacher, first thing you should just get a vision of is what are your student logins. So in the case of Sunjin, it's SJ1 at MCE, all the way through SJ2, etc. You need those logins to log in as a student, and I'll show you that as we go along. So just get a grip on your one or two of your student accounts, and you're ready to go. Okay, the first thing is it'll filter this filter here. You've got a lot of stuff in here soon, Jin. Just filter down to writing and create a new activity. So I like to use the bot. The quickest way to show off is just do this. So give it a quick type, a quick topic, the type of essay, how many words you want, how many paragraphs you want, writing check, generate a prompt. This will use AI to create the actual prompt of the essay for you. You can show three prompts. Pick the one you like, use this prompt, and create a scaffold. Really cool. This creates writing scaffolds. I forgot to show this to the team yesterday, but this is new as well. So it creates a writing activity and all the scaffolding that students need to actually do a good job on the essay. And you can see here, there is the scaffold. Okay. So this is where it starts to get cool. So what we'll do is we'll save that. That's been assigned to your class. All right. Now, to get this little package of content going, all right, let's just have a look at how to do that. So, the Life and Times, this one here, the new one, edit the activity. Now, this will be smoother. I just want, as I was saying to Pactree, we whacked all this together to show people that it's possible. It's not the smoothest way of doing it, but it's easy enough. So you turn on what's called Scripto, enable Scripto. Start a collection by saying yes, please, and we'll give it a name, JFK. All right. Now, create a collection. This is where you add content. Content is web page, YouTube, or PDF. There's a lot more options, but just to keep it simple, we'll call this one Wiki, Wikipedia, and we'll grab the Wikipedia link for JFK. So we want that. All right. Next one you want to add. Oh, I hit finish. So add content again. Save content. I hit the wrong one. Okay. It'll do its little indexing thing and it comes back. Add some more content. This time we'll get the White House official page for JFK. I'm picking JFK because here's just any questions for JFK, right? So paste that White House one in there, save the content. It does its little indexing thing. It's ready to go. And the next one might be a YouTube video. Okay, so these are always pretty cool because we rip out the transcript and we use that. So add a content and we'll call it YouTube. Save content. All right, that's enough, right? So you've now got your kids in a situation where they've got an essay, they've got an essay scaffold, they've got all the resources they need to answer it. Save that activity, and it's time to log in. I'll just hide that. It's time to log in as a student. So let's just pretend I did, and record breakneck speed. I logged in as a student. So right now, that's an old activity. Back in my activity list of things to do, you've got quite a few activities that are a bit got a quite high volume here, Sunjin. So we're going to find the one that we're looking for. What you can just type in here. Here is JFK. It'll find it for you. All right. So open it up. This is where it gets exciting. Okay. Now, the kids don't know what to do. Blank page. What have I got to do? That's what they have to do. Here's their scaffold, right? Super cool. We brought a scaffold across. So these are the questions that we can ask the bot. So they're expected to write to a scaffold. Let's ask the bot about this stuff. Tagged into the content that we set up. All right. So if it's not there, it ain't going to show it to you. Hey, cool. There's my first paragraph. Boom. In she goes. It's underlined as a reminder to everybody that you copied it straight from AI. So you're not going to get a very good score for it. But anyway, get on with the job. The next thing you got to do is influence the father's political career on. Now, what a good question for AI. Hey, the scaffold it created is actually the prompting for the. It doesn't. There you go. It doesn't. The content doesn't cover his father's political career. You'll have to come at it some other way. What is or what was his political career? Spell that. Sorry, guys. It'll fix the spelling. Don't worry. Um, there you go. That's so kids have to learn to explore prompting, which is a big thing, right? You can't just make it that easy. So the scaffold will, etc. It's starting to come an essay is starting to come together here, but we know where it's come from. So like the kids have got to get in here and change it around, and the rest of the story, right? So that is the story. That's a great story to tell. The other thing in the bot is we've got access to the collections. So if they did want to come back and have a look at that White House stuff content, here it all is in here. So it's a full deal. The UI and UX will only get better for it. It'll be easier for a teacher to create, easier for kids to just launch in here and start asking things. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated as it all transpires. But thanks for letting me show it to you this week. It was a great experience. Talk to you soon, fellas.